Before we continue, it's important to install Fresh MVVM inside the Wheel Studio. So let me go straight to the Wheel Studio, and there I'm going to install the NuGet package for Fresh MVVM. All you need to do is just go to the Solution Explorer, and there just right click on your solution and choose Manage NuGet Packages for Solution. Right after that, let's search for a NuGet package that is Fresh MVVM. And here you will see a list of packages. Just select this package. And then all we need to do is just install this package inside our project. Alright, let's go ahead with this installation. And we will get this license agreement. Let's accept this. And here we go. Our installation will continue. You just need to wait for a few seconds, because right now our Wheel Studio is installing the Fresh MVVM NuGet package. Alright, here we go. This package has been installed successfully. Alright, now in the next module, we will set up the architecture of our project by using the Fresh MVVM. I will catch you in the next module.